So in this video, we are going to install the Jupyter Notebook using Anaconda. So let's get started. So first of all, we have this article with us. Okay, so by using this article, we will be installing the Jupyter Notebook, which is by using the Anaconda. So let's get started. So first of all, the step is to download the Anaconda first of all. So you can copy this, okay, and you can paste it here. Okay, so here you have to accept all the cookies. So it is the official website of anaconda.com, where you have to download this distribution, where you can see a free download option. Okay, so first of all, sign in with Google. So click on Google, and let's suppose this is my account. So just sign in here, okay, with your mail ID. And after that, you will get the installation step. For Windows, you can select for Mac, for Linux, and for Windows, for Mac, and for Linux. So for this, you can download, okay, this distribution. So for Jupyter, we will be downloading this distribution. Click on download. Okay, so wait for a while. Okay, so now you can see the downloading will be started. Okay, so according to your configuration, your machine, you can download it. Okay, for Mac, for Windows, for Linux, according to this, you can download. Okay, so we are done with downloading this Anaconda. So just click on it and open it. So wait for a while if it is loading and if it is taking a time, because it will take time while downloading or while installing this. So just click on open and wait for a while. It will start processing it, and henceforth you can see the Anaconda is installing. So the initial page which comes is this. Okay, so here you can see the setup part. Just click on next and click on I agree. Then after this, from this document, you can see to run the installer. Here the steps are mentioned for running the installer. Double click on it to the download.exe file, which we had done through the download option. Just by clicking here, we click here to open it, to open this exe file. After that, we had chosen the just me option. So go back to here. Okay, so here you can see the two processes are running. So let me close this. Yes. Okay, so it is confirming with us. Okay, so we had closed this. So we have to select this just me option, then click on next. After this, it will automatically assign the directory which is created inside the users and inside the Acer. So in your case, it might will be the different. Okay, just click on next. Make it like allow him to make or create the directories. Okay, so just click on install. Okay, so wait for a while till the process is completing. After that, you have to open your Jupyter Notebook, which is by default provided by the Anaconda. So once installation is done, we are good to go with launching our Jupyter Notebook, which will be running on the local host. Okay, so what is local host? Basically, when you are running any code, or you can say any piece of thing which is running on your local system, which means inside your system, which is not hosted. Okay, so with your system you can access that thing, so that is the local host. Okay, so let complete this process of installing the Anaconda. Okay, so our downloading and installation part is done. So let's click on next. So for this process, it will take time, a bit amount of time to install this. Okay, so you have to wait patiently and just click on finish. Okay, so it will launch your Anaconda. Okay, so it is saying like, thank you for downloading this. So next step, what we have to do after installation, we have to open the Anaconda Navigator from the start menu. So this is our start menu. So we'll search for Anaconda. So Anaconda Navigator. Okay. So here our Anaconda setup will be started, and under this which is step inside the step 3, there is a second step which is click launch under the Jupyter Notebook. So once this will be started, we have to click on Jupyter Notebook, and after that our local host 888 port will open, which is 8888. Okay, so what is saying? Something is opening. Okay, so just maximize this. Okay, so what is saying to connect with repository? We don't want to connect with. Okay, so here you can see all the option are there. Okay, so for multiple ID, you can see for the VS Code, here is option for EDU blocks, for PyCharm. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to go with Jupyter. So just click on the launch. Okay, so what it will do, it will redirect to you into the browser at the local host with port number 8888. So just wait for a while till it is processing. Okay, so now it is asking for like in which browser you want to continue. So just we want to continue into the Chrome. So just click on Chrome. So as you can see, the local host 8880, it is running. Now you can see your all file folders, all this thing is listed here. So what we have to do, we have to first create a new just Python 3 you can select, or we can like select any directory here or anything. Okay, so that our code will be organized and it will be best for future code. But in case we have to start with this, so just click on Python 3. Okay, so it will automatically create a one which is untitled file. So by clicking here, we can rename this file with, let's say, hello underscore, or instead of this, we can say hyphen, which is hello world. Okay, so just rename this, and after this, just you can check with a simple command which is print. Okay, so in Python we used to print by using this print function, which is hello world, and for running this you can select this. Okay, so in case many of the practical you want the like you want to use any file, you want to use any images, so in that case what you can do, just go to the download section. For example, let's say this is my image, I want to use this image into any of the practical. So simply just you have to copy the address. Okay, or you can open this image. Okay, so let me do option open this image into the you can open into the browser, so that you will get the specific path, and that path you have to copy it and you have to paste there. Okay, so you can open with the photos also, it is fine. Just you have to copy the path of this image so that you can access it into like you can access it anywhere you want. Okay, so if you want to like access through this, you can access, like if I want to access here. Okay, so this is how you can use the image path, okay, for the system. Don't afraid of like we have to take the file folders, like how we will be add, just like if you compare with the Google Colab, so it is a bit different because it is running into the local environment, not the you can say a hosted environment or the shared environment. Okay, so this is about the Jupyter, which is running by using the Anaconda. So thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, you can comment below, you can like it, you can share it. Thank you.